What is up, you guys? In this video, you're going to learn all about Amazon product research and finding the perfect product to start selling on Amazon. So learning Amazon and doing the whole process could be a little bit intimidating, but I promise you, I've been doing it for a very long time. And I'm going to show you guys everything you need to know when it comes to selling on Amazon. This is my storefront. We're going to be using Helium 10 to do product research because honestly, by far the best tool that I've used when it comes to Amazon research and growing my business. I've been using Helium 10 pretty much for like 4 years. It's the best tool out there. If you want to use Helium 10 by any means, I'll also have a discount code in the description as well as in the pinned comments. You can click that code to get a discount of this software. You do have to pay for this software, but if you're really serious about scaling your business, I mean, it's the best tool. So this is my dashboard. It shows you exactly like all the profits you're making every day. So yesterday I did over 1,000 last 7 days, and this is last year's sales as well. So one thing you want to consider when selling on Amazon, I like to break it down to 3 simple steps when it comes to finding a good product. So what I do actually is I source products from China, make sure that they fall under all the categories that are going to make it successful, and then send it to Amazon's warehouse. I also, of course, make it around my whole brand. So I'm putting a label on it. I'm creating a long-term business. And even with this, you're able to sell your business years down the line. What you're doing is building something fundamentally solid. Even let's say if Amazon falls apart, you have other options. You can even sell on Walmart, eBay. I wouldn't sell on eBay anymore, but Walmart. You have so many other variations of expanding and things like that. Just let's put that in mind. So let's go here and we're going to do Amazon product research. What you're going to do is go to tools here and you're going to click Blackbox. Blackbox is the tool to pretty much filter out what's good to sell and what's not. So when it comes to me, I personally only sell products that are over $18, less than £3, and in a low competitive market. These 3 things are going to allow you to have a successful Amazon business. You have to make sure it falls under these 3 things, especially if you're a beginner. It's really going to help you. I would say probably give you like an 85% chance of being successful, 90%. Like, yeah, I've made it so simple for a beginner, and I teach you guys how to do everything you need to know on this YouTube channel as well. So if you ever have any questions about anything, leave a comment down below. I'll answer it. I'll even make a video on it if I don't have one yet. I just want to put one category. Let's just put baby products just to see what we get. So you can always plug and play everything I'm giving you. That way you can do and get a really good product as well. So let's just search up baby products because that is a very good niche that makes a lot of money. We're gonna put review count. Let's put the max reviews 300. That way we can get a product that's pretty new, that's making a lot of money, and we can possibly get into that product. Like I said, I don't like to sell anything over 3 pounds, so we're gonna put small and large standard. This will make it small, max weight, 3 pounds. Fulfillment, we're gonna put FBA, fulfilled by Amazon. When it says Amazon, that means it's shipped and sold by Amazon, which has nothing to do with what we're doing. And FBM stands for fulfilled by merchant, and that is when you ship it out your house. But what we want to do is have Amazon do all the hard work for us. So we're going to click FBA, and then when a customer buys your product, Amazon packs it, ships it, delivers it to the customer, and you don't have to do any of that hard work. All right, let's go to price. We're going to put minimum $18. That's going to give us a very good profit margin. And let's see, there's also something around here saying minimum revenue. Okay, minimum revenue right here. Let's put minimum $9,000. Okay. Now we're going to click search. Now it's going to give us a bunch of good ideas and product ideas as well. Also, if you ever wanted to learn how to sell on Amazon step by step, I show you guys on my free course. Literally nothing is needed as well. It's literally free. And I even made free AI mentorship, a clone of myself, which is absolutely insane. You just type in your number here and then you get access to the free course. Nothing is needed. You can literally start everything more than product research. I have an app for you guys, free mentorship. Nothing is needed for that. You can literally start in 3 minutes from now. If you ever wanted to take Amazon serious and things like that, it's always there for you. And that course is absolutely free. If you ever wanted to consider it, it'll also be in the description down below, as well as in the pinned comments. There's a free course and there's a more advanced course. The advanced course is a monthly price of $99, and the free course is absolutely free. I don't suggest advanced course until you check out the free course, because see if Amazon's right for you in Amazon product research. But I also have more videos about finding good products to start selling on there as well. So let's go back to Amazon product research. And now that we put these perfect filters, now we're going to get a ton of good product ideas. So what we want to do here is we want to start selecting products. And let's see, this one's selling at 75. That is crazy. I know we're probably not going to sell something that expensive. Let's keep going. Let's click this thing here. Disney princess, baby, looks no. Okay. 11,000. All right, we're gonna keep looking. We got baby carrier here. This one's selling for $50. Sold 100 this month, it says. So let's see, this one made 11,000, which is not too bad for a brand new product that only has 135 reviews. But let's keep going. Let's look for some really good products. Okay, there's a. This looks like, man, smoothie cups for kids. Look at this. This one's selling for $26. Over they're making in this one variation, they have 100 sales, but they have multiple variations. So Helium 10 is showing that they're making 36,000. This one product that has less than 100 reviews. That is absolutely insane. So this is something to consider. This is a good product. It's smoothie cups for kids. Now I would just put this on the list to see how much profit margin we're going to be getting, but this is a good product to start selling. I would suggest. And let's keep looking. Let's keep looking. Okay, there's this one here that's making 14,000. What's this one? This one's saying this is coconut oil. We'll pass on that. Uh-huh. I've seen this one as well. This one is a mini crib fitted sheets, a 2-pack right here, and they sell very well. Look at this, only 240 reviews, selling at $38, making 29,000 every month. So that's reoccurring, and that's just something very simple to find. Products that have low reviews that are making a killing, and that way you can get an idea of what products are good to sell or not. But then we also have to consider, is the product going to give us a good profit margin? So we need to know that. It's very important. So my goal when it comes to selling on Amazon is it going to give me 35% profit margin or higher? It's so important, because what you're trying to do is growing a long-term business. You're going to get that money, because when I first started, I didn't have that much money to start with. So I made sure the product that I started with was like the best odds of growing a business. And what the goal is to get your first product and make like 250 to 350 everyday profit off that one product. And then you could scale and reinvest in the business by getting a second one and a third one and a fourth one. But just start off slow and get the ball rolling when it comes to Amazon FBA. It's very possible. Now let's see exactly this is what I do when it comes to more product research, right? Now we have a couple of product ideas that we have in mind already, but now we have to see if the product is really good. So what I personally would do here is I would go to the Helium 10 down here. They have a profitability calculator. And this is a really cool one, because you can just put the manufacturer costs here. FBA. This is acting up really weird. Let's see, how much was that price again? It was $38. Okay. So we're gonna click this. We're gonna click $38. All right, and the net right now of this product is extremely high. But we need to put the manufacturer cost, of course. So what is the manufacturer cost of this? You would have to go on Alibaba.com and find it. I think we could get it for around like $4, but we're gonna double check. And these people, if it's getting it for $4 and the shipping cost is already in here, they should be making close to $25 to $26 per unit. But let's double check on that unit price. So what I personally would do here is I would go to, and don't worry, like in my free course, I go over the Amazon FBA fees and the profit margin. But you always want to make sure that profit margin is 35% or higher. This one is like amazingly high. This is like really, really good. So what I personally would do here is let's go on baby sheet for cribs. Just copy this main keyword, right? And what we're going to want to do is go to Alibaba.com and we're going to paste this main keyword on here and we're going to get a ton of suppliers for this. So you can see we're looking at around, like I said, $4, but it seems though that seems to have 2 packs right here. Oh look, there's a 2 pack for a little bit less. So let's filter down the price here. Let's put max $5. And what I personally like to do is I like to deal with suppliers that have been on here for quite some time. So like 7 years, 8 years, 10 years, things like that. The usually I've noticed more better credibility and like a better, just it's more structured with a longer business than a shorter like if somebody's been only on here for 1 year, this could be a middleman. So what I like to do is contact like a company like this that has been on there for 12 years. And what I personally do is I contact them at nighttime. Why? Because we're in the complete opposite time zone. So I'm in Eastern time in Miami, Florida. So I would personally contact them at 10 because 10 at night is 10 in the morning over there and they're working. So you can live chat with the reps here and the agents and they will help you out with the pricing, and you can even ask for a PDF, and you can ask multiple suppliers of what's their pricing if they have a PDF of a catalog of all their products. I like to do that as well. That's a more advanced tactic. And this is going to allow you to find the perfect product to start selling on Amazon. Helium 10 is by far the best one that I've discovered when it comes to finding products. So how I built my business, I've been selling for quite some time, like 6, 7 years, and I'm currently, look, check this out. I'm currently almost selling my business, one of my Amazon FBA businesses. So that's pretty cool. And it's currently valued at 1.2, which is absolutely insane because I didn't start up with a lot of money whatsoever. And this is something that I encourage a lot of people to do. The process to grow an Amazon business, it isn't easy at first, but I promise you, like after the first couple of months, I would say the first 5 months, 6 months, once you do your first shipment, it's a piece of cake after you do the second shipment, third shipment, for it's so easy. But the first one took a lot of time to learn because I've never done it whatsoever, and oh, it's something. I'm just happy that I did it because it took some courage because I didn't know what I was getting myself into, to be honest. And I've sold eBay in the past, so I had experience with e-commerce, but Amazon I had no idea. I made the free course for you guys for everything you need to know with the basics of Amazon, so you can check that out. There's nothing needed. Like, click it, sign up, literally start watching a ton of videos for free. Everything is there for you guys. This channel is all here for you guys as well. Any comments regarding any videos you want me to make or questions or anything like that, leave a comment down below. I'll help you out as much as I can. And yeah, like there's a free course on my thing. And then I have a more advanced course that's $99 a month. You can always check that out later. And the free AI mentorships on there as well. That's for free, even with the free course. And I cloned all my knowledge on there, so you can always text it because that's been a big question I've gotten. Do I offer mentorship? And I'm only one person. I try to give out as much info as I can. So I made a custom clone and it's taken me hours to do, and hopefully you enjoy that. But yeah, the advanced course is 99 a month, and I mean, I learned from a course and I paid like 5,000 for it. And it was really good, but I feel like my course I gave a lot. There's a lot of things missing, and $99 compared to 5,000 is a lot better. So I'm just here to help you guys out and get you started with this path to sell on Amazon. Everything's there for you guys. If you have any questions, like I say, comment down below. See ya. Peace.